Hey guys, Magic with IRL. Today we're going to be talking about our Shop G80 a little bit. We're going to go ahead and let you know what we got done, what some of the plans are throughout the year, and showcase our modular catback exhaust. So stay tuned for these sound clips. All right, so we're going to start off with our appearance in the car. All the carbon fiber has been provided to us by Northwest Carbon House. Suspension is the AST low-ring, non-adjustable. When it comes to the wheels, we're running the Autobahn Classics AB1s with Michelin 4S tires. We're gonna go ahead into the engine bay and let you know what's going on there. All right, so underneath the engine bay, we have the Northwest Carbon House full carbon kit. The IRL titanium front mount intakes. It's a golden wrench. Caps, Downstar dress-up bolt kit, and our newest addition would be the RK manifold. We are also currently on the OEM turbos tuned by bend calibration. This is going to change shortly as far as the turbo setup goes. We are finally in the rear. Again, carbon, all Northwest Carbon House, and finished it off with our exhaust system with the 4-inch exhaust tips. Thank you for tuning in.